There, to not take everything so seriously and to still be yourself even when life gets hard. You're gonna go through changes, and changes that will be hard to adjust to, that will stress you out. I want to remind you that we'll be here for you through all the good and the bad times as much as we can. We're so lucky to have met you. You're small, but terrible. You're quiet, but not when you enjoy the conversation, or when you're having fun, or when you need to speak your mind when someone needs to hear it. You're strong. I tell people what they need to hear when they need to hear it. I just want you to know that you should take your own advice sometimes. You need it too. You need to take care of yourself, be kind to yourself, and love yourself. There, there was one time you slept over, you told me it was about dancing and how you wanted to be a dancer. I was happy, except you told me that you didn't think that you could do it because you lacked confidence. You said that you needed the push. Well, here it is. Just go for it. I told you then, and I'm telling you now, that if that's what makes you happy, then you should just do it. I mean, you're so good already. I definitely think so. You should believe in yourself more because I sure do. Belated happy birthday, Charm. You're in our hearts right now, and whenever you can be. I love you. We love you. Thank you and enjoy. Love you.
Happy birthday. At last, natuloy din natin. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, just be happy, enjoy your life, at very, very proud kami. Dahil, what? We're so proud sa mga achievements mo. Sana lahat ng dreams mo, makuha mo. And always ask for his help. Always trust in him. Siya yung pinakamalaking tao na magbibigay sa'yo ng pangarap mo. Ano? Yeah. Happy birthday, baby girl. Happy birthday. Mahal kita na.
Hello, Chan. Happy birthday. I wish you all the happiness in life. Kung meron ang liligang o performa, kami na ni Papa kayong bahalang pumilatis. Make sure.
Mga tatlong cakes ng beer yan.
Ano po yun? Ay. Sige na pa po. Hindi ba napapatay?
Hi, Baby Charm! Ayan, so, happy 18th birthday. I'm so proud and blessed to be called your Tita Tina. Thank you for being a good ate cousin to Xander, for helping him prepare for his portfolio presentations. You're always very reliable. Thank you for also supporting the Velachon business, making its posters, sharing your story, and know that I appreciate all that you do for the family. Even if I don't get to say it all the time. I love you, baby. Ayun, I believe our relationship, I think, has transcended from being Matita because I already considered you a daughter of my heart. So, and seeing you blossom into the beautiful young woman in front of me makes me realize that you are a blessing to our family. Ayan. Ayan. So, ganun pala to, grabe. Wait lang. Hinga lang ako. Ayan. So, ayan, always remain God-fearing, honor and respect your parents, be diligent, work hard, do not take the easy way out, discipline yourself to be the best version of yourself, and yet have fun discovering you in the process. Enjoy your day, baby. Love you. Ayan, Ate Ami, ikaw na.
Ako na? Hello guys! Pwedeng copy-paste na lang kasi ang dami nila eh. Pwedeng happy birthday na lang na. Kaya, alam mo naman eh. Diba? Okay. Copy-paste na, dami nila haba eh. Okay, ikaw na. Okay na yun! Alam na niya yung wala nang iyak-iyak yun.
Nasabi ko na lahat kanina.
Diba? Wala na eh. Ano na
And
lang?
anyway, no matter what life brings you, you know naman na, diba, I love you. Hindi ko man din lagi nasasabi sa'yo, pero alam mo na I'm always here for you, diba? Lagi naman tayo nag-uusap eh. So, sana tuloy-tuloy lang, and yun, yung ni-request mo nandun na, mamaya, usap tayo. Alam na yan.
Ba't ako di kasali?
Ha?
Kasali ba ako?
O, yun din tayo. Ano, yun na.
Okay.
Love you na. Happy birthday. And happy birthday sa lahat ng celebrants na kasabay.
Okay, Papa.
Happy birthday. Alam ko si Anding, birthday ka niya. Belated. Happy birthday. Ayun, anyway, see you soon.
Okay, so while we're all in this formation, let's stay in this position po muna. Kahit maiksi na yung kandila nyo.
Napaso na ako.
Okay, patagalan ha, para matira matibay. Okay.
Ano, compress ko po, pa-compress.
Pag-ready.